How to delete Pinterest history on the phone. Hi guys, in this video, I am going to teach you how to delete Pinterest history on your Android or iPhone in a quick and easy way. Before that, click the follow button for more other tutorial videos like this. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to check if your Pinterest application is updated. If the app is not yet updated, you will need to update it first. This is a very important step for you to be able to use the new features on Pinterest. After checking it, open the Pinterest app. Click on your profile icon, and once you're in your profile page, press on the three dots located on the upper right corner. And then click on Settings. Next, look for Privacy and Data. Click on it. In here, you need to scroll down to the bottom. You will see Clear Up Cache and click it. And that's how you can basically delete Pinterest history on your iPhone or Android phone. That's it for today's video tutorial. I hope that I was able to help you out with your application problem. Don't forget to follow me for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much and have a nice day.